Hey guys, Chase the Stickview here. I'm telling you guys right now, I should not be making this fucking video today. So, this thing about the henchman, Sapphire05 actually told me to stop making videos on him since they do want to stop. And I did make a community post telling them that if they don't make any videos on me, and if they don't make any memes on me, then I will stop. I'll stop making videos on them. And the drama will not go on if they do not make videos on me. But that's not the case, because what do I see on Sapphire05's channel? Another fucking unfunny meme on me. And what do I see on War Machine Ogre's channel? Another fucking video on me. God. Not only that, Buzz Lightning has also done some shit again, which I'll tell and again. So I'm just gonna tell you all the shit they did right now, because this is something that needs to be heard, and this shit needs to be said. Because Buzz Lightning, War Machine Ogre, and some other people in this video can't learn what to let me my own fucking business ever. And holy shit, they are so freaking idiotic. They really just do not want to make me have fun. I'm just trying to have fun, and they're not making me do that at all. So you know what? It's time to make this video on them to defend myself from these idiots, because what they're doing is straight up bullshit, and I've had enough. So here we go.
And this choice you will take was not me back. So just leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Stop it. Just stop dogging me around.
Wow, I am really disappointed in Buzz Lightning, War Machine Ogre, and some of the others right now, because they are making more shitty videos on me after I told them to leave me alone. However, it just says Buzz Lightning, War Machine Ogre in the title, because they were mainly the ones who started more shit. But so I'm going to be reacting to 4 videos made by them, 1 of them by Buzz Lightning, and 3 of them by War Machine Ogre, because War Machine Ogre has made more videos on me than I did on Buzz Lightning. But Buzz Lightning has done a lot of crap too. So without further ado, let's go. So this first video we're going to be reacting to was made by Buzz Lightning, and it's called Update on Chase. So without further ado, let's go. Yeah, I said it again.
Hey guys, it's Buzz here, and welcome back to another Chase video. So, Chase has been accusing my friends, Olga, the henchman, of a whole bunch of stuff, right? And I'm just tired of him accusing my friends of ridiculous stuff, right? So I'm gonna defend them. So enjoy the video.
Okay, there are 2 things that are immediately wrong about this part. 1, you know that the henchman has done some really horrible shit too. And guess what? They did not improve their behavior. And Oops It Slipped did apologize, but he sent porn pictures on my Discord server as if he apologized. So he still hasn't improved his behavior. The henchman hasn't improved their behavior at all. They're still doing shit to me. But guess what? I improved my behavior for the past actions I did. So I did. If people improve their past actions and actions, then people can't bring up their past actions anymore if they improve their behavior. So that's something you need to know. And second of all, your new intro, Hello My G-Word People, is one of the worst intros I've ever heard. Can you please go back to saying, hey guys, it's Buzz here? That intro was so much better than the intro you're using now with the Hello My G-Word thing. Just go back to saying, hey guys, it's Buzz here. Oh, and don't even think about bringing out the excuse, oh, didn't you tell Sapphire05 to change the intro for hey guys, it's Sapphire or something else? Look, that was in the past, and I improved from that too. And guess what? Saying something like that was stupid because my behavior was bad back then, but guess what? I improved my behavior. Saying something like that is stupid. So Buzz, your intro, Hello My G-Word, is seriously stupid, and again, you need to go back to saying, hey guys, it's Buzz here.
First thing we are going to be taking a look at is his 2 points he makes throughout his Starry Chi apology video. And yeah, first point that I have to make before even starting on this video is he's clearly only apologizing to Starry Chi because he needs Starry Chi's help.
Oh my god, that is not true. The reason why is because I felt really bad for hating her, and I felt really bad for taking her seriously, all because Bear doxed her IP address. And you know what? I really regret hating her, because doxing someone's addresses is seriously wrong, and doing it is seriously not okay. I cannot believe I was defending Bear after he leaked his IP address and attacking Starry Cake. So I apologize to Starry Cake just because I feel bad for hating her, and I want to become friends with her again. I did not do that because I wanted her help with this stupid drama. So please stop making up lies about me.
Chase, you really don't know what you're talking about. But before I explain why Chase is wrong, I'm gonna read some definitions from Google to help explain this argument, because Chase don't know what these words mean. So first up we got homophobia, which reads a dislike or prejudice towards gay people. So next up we've got homosexual, which reads sexually attracted to people of one's own sex, or as a noun it reads a person who is sexually attracted to someone of their own sex. And finally we got the definition for the word gay, which the first one reads of a person homosexual used especially for a man. The dated one means light-hearted and carefree, and the last one reads a homosexual person typically referring to a man. Okay, so first up, I just wanted to say, why are you changing the story? Olga and Baba were only saying the word gay means homosexual, which is not comparing gay people to someone who isn't gay. It's basically comparing a gay person to a homosexual person, which they're both the same thing. Second of all, I just wanted to say, why are you calling it the G word? For one, you're giving it so much power by saying the G word. Two, it's not a slur. And three, it's an okay word to use. So, yeah, why are you calling it the G word? I don't understand. Let's move on.
Well, you know what, Buzz? I am just going to say this. I don't think gay is a homophobic word anymore. Because one, I should have just looked at that and I was just kind of being stupid again and did not look at that, which was pretty stupid thing to do, and so I just did not look at that. Dismissing of it, and just kept on saying it was homophobic, because sometimes my mind it doesn't really work really well. And I guess you were kind of right. I think the word gay isn't really homophobic, and also the on community a few days later said that gay is not a homophobic word. Only the FA word is a homophobic word. Gay is not a homophobic word, so I guess you're right. The word gay is not homophobic, so I guess I should have gotten your point there. Or yeah. This is the first thing I'm gonna say. Making fun of people's faces. Like when the Chase drama with me was still going on, they made fun of my face a lot, and that is and making fun of people's faces and considered cyberbullying, and that is not okay. Okay. And I mean, also boxing. Yes, I understand that I did hotbox Haley the Pony's face, but that was because that was back then when I didn't know touching people's faces was a really bad thing to do. So once I found, once I found out about it, probably later on, maybe about a month, I guess, then I found out that doxing people's faces is really bad. But that doesn't mean that you guys can't stop showing my face over and over and over again. Also, do you want to know what else, guys? They have emojis of my real life face on their Discord server, which I'm not really gonna get into that because I'm not really in the mood to talk about it in here. Maybe in a different live stream, maybe in which I don't really know. But continuing on with the video.
So basically, what Chase is saying is, hey, the henchman did all this stuff in the past, but don't think about bringing up my past because I didn't know it was wrong. Yeah, Chase. Ignorance is no excuse for doing something that extreme. So you're claiming that the henchman is cyberbullying you, right?
Listen, The reason why I do not dox people's faces anymore is because my Beyond friends told me, and other people who did dox other people's information is not okay, and it's a serious crime. And yes, other Beyonders did dox people's personal information as well. Oh, so thank God. So when we told that doxing is not okay, we just stopped. And that thing where I doxed Hater the Pony's face was back when everyone thought that doxing people's information is not okay, which nowadays is not. I'll say it's not. So stop accusing me of shit to make it look like I'm the shittiest person in the world.
But let's not mention all the stuff she said about the henchmen. You know, roll the clips.
And holy shit, I have not seen any kid that annoying and unlikable since Bear Studios and Yeah Boy Dio, but I won't talk shit about them anymore because they actually quit the drama and I don't want anything to do with them anyways.
You know what? I decided to know this guy! This guy is the worst guy on YouTube! I hate him so much! He needs to go die and get tortured by a chainsaw! I hate this guy so much! I wish he was dead!
Trust me when I say he said way more stuff about the henchmen.
Oh my fucking god. That shit was all the way back in Chase War 1. Like the very, 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 very beginning of the first ever Chase War, okay? That was all the way back in the first Chase War, okay? So you should not really bring that shit up anymore, because that was all the way back in the first ever Chase War, okay? And I improved my behavior from doing that too. So stop bringing that shit up.
These videos or messages for jokes, or if they are only trying to criticize someone to help them improve. Well, guys, to be honest, these are not jokes. Like, these are not joke videos. These are straight up online cyberbullying videos. Now,
did you just hear that, guys? Gaming Master just said that those are not jokes. Those are cyberbully videos. Videos. I think Sapporo 5 and the Henchman's videos out of me when the chase on was still going on might be a perfect example about these videos not being joked and straight up cyberbully videos.
Chase, this is a perfect example of why you shouldn't listen to the Beyond community, like, at all, because these aren't cyberbully videos, they're criticism videos, commentary videos, right? And criticism is where you give someone ideas on how they can improve as a content creator and as a person. And that's all we're doing, nothing else, so, yeah.
Oh my fucking god. He was talking about making memes. Like when Sapporo 5 makes these really short memes, they are not criticism videos. They are straight up cyberbully videos. And the Beyond community actually does criticism right that you guys do wrong. Wrong. You guys are making fun of my face, which is something the Beyond community does not do. You guys are making memes out of me, which is something that the Beyond community doesn't do. So the Beyond community does do criticism right, but you guys do it wrong. And also, I'm going to keep listening to the Beyond community whether you like it or not, because Beyond community makes really good-ass points about criticism, okay? So I'm going to keep listening to him whether you like it or not, and you're not going to stop that from happening. If you guys are going to, all of a sudden, going to disagree with me with what Gaming Master said, and do all these shitty stuff anyways, you need help. You need legitimate help, like serious help. Oh, and also, guys, don't even think about starting another fucking war with me. Like, no, I'm serious. Serious. If you're ever gonna think about starting another goddamn war with me, then you're going to be blocked. Earth me, starting to start war with me is way too the extreme. Like, if you're gonna do that, then you're gonna start a war with me. Then you are seriously going to be blocked for a little until further notice, and banned from Discord server until further notice.
Chase, it's incredibly clear to me that you're the one starting the war here.
Well, guess what? I'm just gonna make it clear here. You guys still did start more shit here. Because you guys literally took me saying that gay is a homophobic word way too seriously. Like, if I did that to the Beyond community, they would just give me advice and not take it seriously. You guys literally took that way too seriously. Therefore, you still started shit.
Whoa, did you hear that, guys? Worst YouTube group he's ever had to deal with. Whatever that means, does this mean he's had arguments with other YouTube groups? Because that's really likely, knowing Chase and all that. Dude, I almost forgot to say this, but what was that Windows sound in your background, dude? Like, come on, you can edit better than this, Chase.
Well, guess what? I haven't dealt with any other stupid team besides you guys. I mean, I have dealt with the Cheer Forces squad, but guess what? That was a really short one. And also, this is something I want to talk about, how they are forcing me to do content that take days to make. Dude, you can't force me to do content that makes days to make. You can't force me to do content that's nothing but commentaries. I can make whatever the fuck I want. I can make a lot of cool artwork and speed paints. You can't force me to do nothing but shitty commentary videos that take days to make. That is one of the most bullshit things I ever heard. You're forcing me to do stuff I do not want to do. Please, let me make my own content. Don't make me make commentaries that take days to make. Please, shut up.
So with all that out of the way, let's get started. This whole thing started back on March 16, 2020, when I had a bad way of opinions back then, and I made a rant on Oops It Slipped. Instead to accept the rant like a normal person, he reacted to the video, starting the whole war. Now we get to the bad stuff they did. First off,
Chase, Oops It Slipped didn't start the drama. You started the drama because Oops It Slipped made a Fortnite comment, and then you made a rant on him, and then Oops It Slipped reacted to the rant like a normal person.
Well, guess what? I don't really think he started with the Fortnite comment anymore. However, he still started it. I mean, he did react to it, and he wasn't doing some crap about it. So I just added to it, and telling him that he needs to stop. And telling him that what he was doing to me was wrong, and that was just supposed to be it. But then he made another reaction, and him making another reaction is what started this whole shit. Therefore, Oops It Slipped still started this whole drama. I did not start this. He did, and Sapphire5 did, because he also made a video on me. So Oops It Slipped still started the war.
I really don't like how you're grouping up all the henchmen into this point, because for one, I don't think I've ever made a fat joke out of you, and two, Oops It Slipped has already apologized for, making jokes about you. So yeah, I don't like how you're grouping all the henchmen up into this point.
I mean, you were right on one of these things. You didn't really call me fat, which is a good thing. But Oops It Slipped's apology video, his apology video is pretty much shit nowadays, because he still did shit to me after he apologized. He sent porn pictures on my Discord server and was spam pinning me, and forced me to respond to him. Therefore, he did not improve his behavior when he apologized. He still did stupid shit.
he is a cyberbully. Next up, they made a diss track on me, which diss tracks on people do not work.
Chase, aren't you literally the same guy that made diss track on Sapphire5 with my favourite cartoon characters?
Well, guess what? That shit was also in the past, and making stuff with fictional characters is shit. And I don't want to hear from that shit ever again. So stop bringing up that shit with my raps with my favorite cartoon characters, because I don't want to hear that shit anymore either, and I don't really like those stupid raps anyways.
Fun of my real life face, which is once again more proof that they are cyberbullies. Also, they are bringing up the excuse that they are doing it because I exposed Haley's face, which I understand that is wrong, but making fun of Poeple's faces is
Dude, if you look at the other guys' videos, not mine too much, but the other henchmen's videos, they were making fun of you when you were making some fun of someone else.
Well, if I made fun of the person's face, then guess what? I regret making fun of their faces and their voices, because making fun of people's voices isn't really right either. But if I wasn't doing that at all, I was just giving them fucking criticism.
Chase, you can't bring up other people's past without expecting people to bring up your past.
That's because they did not improve their behavior. That's why I have the right to bring up their past. But I did improve my behavior, so they shouldn't bring up mine.
Chase, no they didn't. Honestly, don't put out false allegations about people.
You're a stupid dumbass.
Are you seriously this stupid? They did send porn pictures to me in a Hangout chat on my Discord server. Are you that stupid? You are so freaking stupid. Now, sadly, I don't have proof of them doing it because I could have used it to show they actually did, but I guarantee you they did do that. However, that is actually it for all of Buzz Lightning's video I just like to cover. So now we're going to be reacting to one of War Machine Ogre's videos, and it's called Chase's Terrible Discord Rules and TikTok. Yes, he did decide for some goddamn reason to go attack my TikTok, which is a really shitty thing for me to do. He can't attack my content that is even directed towards him. So without further ado, let's get on to this shitty video.
Okay, now just looking at this is one of the most snowflake Discord servers I've ever seen. Actually, it is the most snowflake Discord server I've ever seen, because honestly I haven't seen much. Like, just look at number 2. Cuss words are allowed in the chat, but do not say the N or K word, and I don't really know which word he means by K. Am I just being an idiot, or like, I don't know.
Oh my god. The K word! The K word, that's an offensive word to Jews. Of course I'm not going to say it because I don't want to offend Jews. But it's that K word. That K word. You stupid dumbass.
Whatsoever. Because once again, there are some people in the server who get offended when you say those words. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's a joke. Calm down, everyone.
If you're going to keep making jokes like that, then it's pretty much best for you to stop making jokes in general, because those jokes are funny as shit.
That's the young people for you, them people Chase believes. Okay, the point of this video is Chase still thinks he's right, you know. Like, now look at the circled stuff. Number 6, also the Discord server is available for people 12 and older. If you are under that age, we'll have to kick you out. And honestly, there must be some, you know, really squeaky 12-year-olds Chase knows, because I swear every time Chase is on a Discord call or anything in a video, they sound about 4. There's also
Dude, I only have a few people on my Discord server as 12. I have a lot of people on my Discord server who's like 13, 14, or even 18. Therefore, they are much older than 18. They just sound young, okay? So shut the fuck up.
Make jokes where you say something bad, then it's a joke. Also, don't make you suck jokes out of everyone, because it just makes you a little bit of a bad jokester and kind of a jerk. So if you have bad jokes, you're just a jerk. Oh, okay. What else did you just say there? You suck jokes. Who says you suck anymore?
Haley the Pony did. Did you see it in Polkin's latest video on me? Can't you make up your own mind? Look at Polkin's video, dude. Like, come on.
Can't help but feel that he's very enthusiastic about this, and he's only doing it because everyone dances to TikTok songs. And I don't.
That's the point. Everyone's making videos of them dancing and singing the songs, and I'm doing the same thing because it's fun. And you're attacking that? Wow, you're a pretty shitty idiot for doing that. Attacking what I like doing makes you a freaking idiotic piece of shit jerk.
I don't want to be that guy, but I'm going to be that guy. Old Town Road, seriously? Is it still 2019?
Tell me why!
Ain't nothing but a heartache.
Tell me why!
Ain't nothing but a mistake.
So if you watch his previous TikTok video before this one, you will know he literally did the same thing, but with Lightning McQueen plushie. And my man really duetted with himself. Who does that?
Everyone does. Look at the duets they're doing with one another. Look at the duets they're doing. Like all the little squares you're seeing there are duets. And why are you attacking what I like? Like again, you're attacking me playing with plushies. Like please just let me play with my plushies. They're one of the main reasons why I have TikTok.
If you look closely, you can actually see that the fruit is pre-cut. So this kid is an absolute.
Hey, dumbass, do you remember asking? No, so shut up. Also, your fans are agreeing with you, as you just called this kid a rude name. Wow, you have a really mean fan base.
Could have at least showed us what the guy even said so we could get an idea of if it was really worth the, hey, dumbass, did anyone ask? I mean, by the way, wow, what an insult did I ask is so not overused at all. And also, he's probably just...
Oh, let me guess, cause he's joking. Cause he's using it for a stupid, horrible, unfunny, disgusting, hair-pulling, terrible joke. Let's see if I was correct.
Joking, honestly. He knows a baby can't cut a watermelon.
This just proves that this piece of shit, along with his shitty friends, keep on making shitty jokes non-freaking stop. And I can't take it anymore. Also, let the kid have fun. You're defending the guy who just insulted that kid? Oh, and by the way, the guy called him a fucking fraud. That's what he called him. And that was extremely rude. Don't call kids that. That makes you an idiot.
Off with his hand. He's probably just trying to be all Captain Obvious and making a joke. And I'm pretty sure in your latest video, the caption was just a joke and that. So it's alright when you make jokes. But when other people make jokes, they're dumbasses and all that.
Well, guess what? I don't make jokes anymore, so shut the fuck up.
Yeah, cool. I'm pretty sure you've done worse than calling a baby a whatever that guy said.
Very nice. Very good.
Now, as you can see, he doesn't really make any original content. He literally copies the stuff that the Donald Duck does.
Oh my fucking god. This is where I'm really starting to get heated of how dumb this guy is. I am not freaking copying Donald Duck. I am literally just inspiring what he does. Look, other people are doing it as well. Other people are doing the exact same thing. They are literally just inspired by him to do that stuff. Especially me. I am literally just inspired to do my stuff. I am not copying him. Stop accusing me of fucking copying!
When he does the things and then he screams for some reason, which honestly they aren't even funny. So out of everyone's copy, you're gonna copy him? Okay, I mean, try and make some original.
Look, not everyone's gonna want to make original content, fucking dumbass.
He also copied Kermit the Puppet.
Liar, liar, plants for hire.
Dad, can I get... What?! Dad, can I get... What?!
Now, I'm all for skits on TikTok, so honestly my favourite TikToks when people do cool skit things. I usually like it when they involve parents, because, you know, relatable and that. But I get the punchline of those ones. What was the punchline of this one? You literally kept asking your dad the same question, shouted what, and he shouted what, and then you just bogged off somewhere.
okay, the point of that one is the kid is asking his dad that he needs something, and the dad is in a really bad mood. And he just says, "What?" And then the kid tries to ask him again, and he's really scared by his dad shouting at him. And dad shouts, "What?" again. And he screams out because he's scared of his dad yelling at him. So that's the whole point of the TikTok.
Maybe it's just my dumbass who don't get it. If anyone gets it, just let me know. Something I can appreciate though is that he does have quite a lot of variety in his videos. He does plush videos that are more or less cringier than the other, you know. He also does skits, and he also does dancing to songs videos like I've showed, Old Town Road, pretty dead song, not gonna lie. But some of the songs he chooses, you know, a bing bang bong, what the hell is that?
A bing bang bong, a ring rang rong.
Ew, don't put an eggplant there. Make it look like I'm punching a freaking dong. Which is disgusting. That makes you fucking disgusting. And also, the song I was talking about was Bing Bang Bong. That's a pirate song from the Wiggles.
Fun fact, we have those faces he pulls in that video as emojis in our Discord server.
And doing that is seriously not okay, so that's just stupid as shit.
Because they were just too good to not put in there, you can't blame us, Chase. And also, what was the punchline for this one? I don't know, this really is like my favourite of his TikToks. It's just hilariously weird. He just makes a noise and then makes it again, but using his mouth. I don't know, but I really like it. Also, just a little side note here, the video that I talked about in my video where I told you that he made a video inspired by me, and I told him that, you know, he completely took what I said out of context. He still has it up.
Alright, that sound video we were talking about, I got inspired by the Japanese TikToker Juanya One Gal to do that, which he makes pretty cool TikToks. But the other thing he said, well, guess what? I took that video down since you kept whining about it like a little bitch. So there you go. You're welcome. But that was the end of that video. I cannot believe he made fun of my TikToks. Why the heck is he attacking some content and that isn't even directed towards him? Like, I know I did that in the past, but guess what? That was in the past, and I stopped doing that. Well, dudes, this video is freaking 33 minutes long, or 32. I don't know. So I'm just going to cut this out and leave this as the part 1 for the video. Part 2, will be off for part 2. So part 2 will be out like right now, because I'm releasing this video at the exact same time. So after this video, go watch part 2. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you all next time. Peace.